Schwabangin sedang ya ke kubor, ni kerpat ipi ki nongpek, ban subscribe ya ke ni ke channel, ban klik ya notification bell, pen yo kloy ki kubor na ke jela.
There's a downfall feeling, the weight is in the air. Maybe I'm king, I'm speaking to myself. Maybe I won't.
gold medalist karatekas, Sri Raja Yanko and Johnny Mankia. And ladies and gentlemen, the last runner on track is national level track and field athlete Marsu Kiba. We will then place it on the pedestal where the flame will continue to remain alight till the end of the game.
Heralding the commencement of the second edition of the Northeast Olympic Games 2022. This magnificent symbolic torch was first lit.
Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause.
The first Northeast Olympic
This is indeed.
In the name of all participants, I promise that we will take part in the second Northeast Olympic Games 2022, organized by the government of Meghalaya, together with the Meghalaya State Olympic Association, in loyal competition, respecting and abiding by the rules that govern them, in the true spirits of fair play, inclusion, equality, and commit ourselves to sports without doping, cheating, or any form of discrimination, for the honor of our teams and the glory of our sports. Thank you.
We give you the music of the land and its people. The anthem for the second Northeast Olympic Games 2022, happening right here in Shillong, Meghalaya. We are a host of artists from across the region. We've got Alobo Naga, UNP, and all of us, along with
There's a downfall feeling, the weight is in the air. Maybe I can't, I'm speaking to myself.
Maybe I won't, I'm just tired of it all. I'm getting discouraged just so I don't fall.
Then the inner voice to me, can be blinded, there's so much to see.
Get in the game, just show it today. You got it on when, you got it on say. Let's go!
The young and dynamic Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Shri Conrad K. Sangma, under whose visionary leadership this edition of the Games has been made possible. How about a big round of applause for our Chief Minister?
Meghalaya is celebrating 50 years. And in order to mark the celebration of 50 years, we also decided that it must celebrate the youth of our state, the youth of our region, and the youth of this nation. And hence, we were very firm that we would want to host the Northeast Olympics in Shillong in this very, very special year of Golden Jubilee celebration of our state. We have always believed that the youth is the greatest strength of this nation. But if you are not able to guide them in the right direction, they can become the biggest destructive force of the nation also. And hence the responsibility is there upon the leaders, upon different civil society, elders, to ensure that we create the right ecosystem and the right environment so that our youth are able to channelize their energy in a very, very positive direction. And hence, this Northeast Olympics that we are organizing. Apart from this, Meghalaya government has been taking numerous steps to organize and to ensure that different policies are created for the youth. Be it confidence building, soft skill trainings, be it different kind of social activity programs, be it music, be it the sports policy that we have, or be it the youth policy. Meghalaya government has tried to ensure that we are able to give the right focus and importance to the youth of our state and of the region and the country as a whole. I take this opportunity to welcome all the athletes out here. Sports, as was mentioned by our sports minister, is a very important part of a youth's life. It's not about the games only. It's about the personality that it develops. Whether it's discipline, whether it's hard work, whether it is the ability to accept a loss, and more importantly, learn from that loss and improve yourself and become better. Dear friends, it gives me immense pleasure to declare the second Northeast Olympic Games 2022 open.